In question number 11, it's saying that the slope of a line is double of slope of another line. Okay, and it's saying that again, if the tangent of angle between them is 1 by 3, we know the angle between them formula. Tangent of angle between them is 1 by 3. We have to find the slope. Okay, that's our question. So we take like this, that we took like this, that slope of line m1 and m2 respectively, as per question, m1 equal to 2m2. Okay, again, the angle between the line is theta. Okay, so this point is, I think you understood that, that we know that from the equation it is given that the the angle between the slopes are double of another one, right? So if one is m1, another will be m2, and the angle between them is 1 by 3, tangent of angle. So we took, let the angle between them is theta. Okay, so as per question, tan theta is 1 by 3, but we know the angle between them formula, right? We know the formula, angle between the two lines, straight lines. The formula is tan theta equal to plus minus m2 minus m1 divided by m1 plus, 1 plus m1 into m2. So instead of plus minus, we used to use the modulus sign, right? So we can write tan theta equal to m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Now here tan theta value is given 1 by 3, right? So we just took this one. After that we have to write we have to do the only the cross multiplication and the product. So tan theta value, we got this one, m2 minus m1, modulus of m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Okay, so modulus of this equal to 1 by 3. So what will be the value of this? It will be plus minus 1 by 3. Okay, suppose I'm giving one example. Suppose x equal to mod 4. This mean x equal to plus minus 4. Either it is plus 4 or minus 4. Okay, so this is the meaning of modulus. Fine. Then so like this is happened. Then we took m2, we just put the value of m2 and m1 instead of m1 equal to 2m2. So we just replace this one and we just simplify. We got m2 minus 2m2, which is minus m2, and denominator 1 plus 2m2 square. Okay, I just replace m1. It is 2, and right side we are not changing anything. Now we will take one case. Case 1 will be when this value is equal to plus 1 by 3. Okay, this value either plus 1 by 3 or minus 1 by 3. So first case is plus 1 by 3. So when we got plus 1 by 3, we just cross multiply here. You can see we just cross multiplied, and after cross multiplication we took this one and using quadratic equation, middle term factor, we got this up to this. I don't think you can see by yourself. Okay, after that you can just simplify. So we got 2m2 plus 1 into m2 plus 1 equal to 0. After that we can get m2 equal to minus 1 by 2, because this, if this part is 0, either this part is 0 or this part is 0. So either m2 equal to minus 1 by 2 or m2 equal to minus 1. From here, so when m2 equal to minus 1, so now we'll use this relation m1 equal to 2m2 to get the value of m1. m2 we got already, right? So when m2 equal to minus 1 by 2, m1 equal to 2m2. Okay, the 2m2 just replace the value, we got -1. And when m2 equal to -1, m1 equal to -2. This is just now class 10 standard solution. Okay, now we consider case 2 where this expression, this expression, this expression actually, which is equal to -1, -1/3. After doing this, you can see same thing we did, same quadratic formula, quadratic equation. After that, we got here m2 equal to 1/2 and m2 equal to 1. So when m2 equal to 1/2, m1 equal to 1, and when m2 equal to 1, m2 equal to 1, m1 equal to 2. So look, we have to write, after that we have to write answer here. Okay, you have to answer like this: when modulus, sorry, not modulus, when the slopes are, answer we have to write, the slopes are, slopes are, look, when slope is one pair is -1 -1/2, okay, another is -2 -1, we have to write like this. So slopes are, first is -1 -1 and -1/2, I guess -1/2, yeah, -1/2, or second one, -2 and -1, or 1 and 1/2, or 2 and 1. So that's the things. Okay, you have to answer, otherwise your marks may be deducted. Okay, so that's question number 11. Question number 12 and 13 was given homework, right? So I'm not doing, I will later, I will in the end of this week I will give all the solution. Okay, so after that you will self check, otherwise I will obviously check your homework. Fine, so this is the question number 11. Now question number 12. Question number 12, if you're having book, I will suggest you to open the book, page number 220. Otherwise, I will try to zoom this one a little bit. If you're having the book, it is better, 220 page number. In this page, it's saying that um, consider the following population and year graph. There is a population and year graph is given. We have to find the slope of AB. Okay, first we have to find the slope of AB. AB is the line, and using it find what will be the population of the year in 2010. So first we have to find the slope. Okay, so the point A point coordinate, now these are the coordinates. Okay, coordinate is 1995 comma 92, and coordinate of B is 1995 comma, coordinate of B is 1995 comma 97. So so the point A and B are given. Now we have to find the slope. What is the slope? Slope formula, like no, our first formula of the slope, that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So using this formula, you can see y2, what is y2? 97, y1 is 92. So 97 minus 92 divided by x2 minus x1. So 95 minus 1985. So if you did this one, 5 by 10, and it will give you 1 by 10, 2. So slope we got 2. Okay, now let me, to find the this one, I have to make one little addition. Let C be a point on the straight line. Okay, the coordinate of C is 2010 comma P. Why I took 2010? Because the ask what will be the population of 2010 in the year 2010. So year is 2010 and population we have take just small p. Then using the collinearity of slope or collinearity. Using the collinearity, last we discussed that when 3 points are collinear, when the slope of first 2 point, okay, is equal to slope of next 2 point. So we have to write here slope of AB equal to slope of BC. So slope of AB we already got 1 by 2. What will be the slope of BC? Same formula we are using, y2 minus y1. y2 is P, y1 is here 97. So P minus 97 divided by 2010 minus 1995. If you simplify this one, you will get P equal to 104.5. So the population of the year you have to write like this. The population of the year is 104.5 crore. Okay, if you see here y-axis, that is all given in crore. So population will be in crore. Okay, so that's our solution. Now let's start today's class with very important part, and maybe I will take 1 hour class from now. Okay, maybe this class will be up to 2:30 or sorry 3:30 or 3:45. I'll extend today's class a little bit. Uh, okay, because these are very important things. So this is the topic 3. This is the topic 3 of this straight line. Topic 3 is it's saying this topic name is various form of equation of the straight line. Okay, various form of the equation of the straight line. So first is equation of straight line, equation of straight lines which is parallel to x-axis. You can see here, if I broaden the diagram a little bit, I hope it is visible. You can see L be a straight line which is parallel to x-axis. Okay, L can be here and L can be here. At which the distance of L, this line from the x-axis is A. Okay, the distance between the x and A is A. Similarly, the distance between this lower line and x-axis is A. Then the equation of this line which is parallel to x-axis is x equal to A. This part you already learned in class 9. If you remember this part, parallel to x-axis and y-axis, this part we already learned in class 9. Just to remember once, just to reminding once, I'm just repeating. Then, so if the line is on the positive y side, okay, it will be y equal to A, and if the line is negative y side, it will be y equal to minus. Now, this equation is also called equation of horizontal axis because you can see the L is horizontal way, right? Similarly, for the equation of line which is parallel to y-axis is, you can see in the diagram, this line are parallel to y-axis. So one line is on the positive x side and another line is positive y side. So which line is positive x side? It will be the equation of the line is x equal to b, and if it is negative y side, it will be x equal to minus b. It is also called equation of vertical axis. Okay, so it is very easy to remember. How to remember? If a line parallel to x-axis, y equal to a, y equal to minus a. Okay, or if the line is parallel to y-axis, if the line is parallel to y-axis, x equal to b, or x equal to b here, b is denoting the distance from the y-axis. Okay, it can be 5 6 minus 5 9, anything. So if the line is parallel to y-axis, here it will be x equal to b, just the opposite thing. And for a note, I mentioned, though you must know this one at least now, um, because you already learned this one in class 9, that equation of x-axis. What is the equation of x-axis? Equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. Okay, if you ask me why, you can see any point any point lying on the x-axis, you can see always the y coordinate is always 0. 5 comma 0, 9 comma 0, minus 9 comma 0, minus 13 comma 0, all point will lie on x-axis. Okay, so x-axis equation is y equal to 0. Similarly, equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. Any point like 0 comma 5, 0 comma minus 9, 0 comma 16, 0 comma 100, all will lying on y-axis. So in y-axis always the x coordinate is 0. So equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. These two you have to remember. Okay, just the opposite. If equation of x-axis y equal to 0, a line parallel to x-axis y equal to a. Okay. Now very important part is coming. That is point. I told that we'll learn different form, right? So first form is actually, this is actually first. Previously they are not exactly form. They are just some condition. Point slope form. What these forms are? Suppose in a question in this part na, in topic 3, we have to find the equation of the straight line. Okay, in previous part we are just finding the collinearity, or suppose we have to check the line or parallel. Basically we have to find the slope in the previous exercise or first topic. Okay, but in second topic here we have to find the equation of the line. Suppose you can see there is a line here in the diagram. I show one line. Okay, in this line you can see line L is passing through 2 points. One is P, another is Q. P is x comma y. Okay, P is a little bit far, but this is P. Okay, this red line is P, and Q is x naught y naught. So it is saying the equation of the straight line having slope m and passes through x naught y naught is, the slope of the line will be given and the one point will be given through which the line passed through. Then the equation of the line will be this: y minus y naught equal to m into x minus x naught. Very easy. These are, you just have to remember the, but the thing is that here you have to remember the all the form, otherwise it will be difficult. Okay, otherwise it will be difficult to understand which form we have to use. So I gave here one example. Example, what is example saying? The find the equation of the line passing through minus 4 3 and having slope 1 by 2. So what will be the equation? The equation of the straight line is what? Here what is x naught y naught? X naught y naught is this minus 4 x naught, and y naught is 3. So equation will be y minus y naught. What is y naught? 3 equal to m. What is m here? Slope is 1 by 2 into x is x is obviously x minus minus 4. Okay, so if you simplify this one, if you simplify this one, um, if you simplify this one, it will be 2y minus 6 equal to x plus 4. Okay, and always you have to write the equation of straight line in a correct way. So you have to take the y to that side, so it will be x minus 2y. Okay, you can take the 6 also that side, so it will be 4, sorry, plus 4 plus 6 equal to 0, which implies which implies x minus 2y plus 10 equal to 0. Okay, that is the question. Fine. Any doubt how to regarding this question? You have to see what point is given, point whatever the point is, x naught y naught, and m is slope. Okay, so you have to understand. Look, now it look very simple because we learn only this number, right? Sorry, only this form. But when we learn there is total five form is there, so it will be difficult. So you have to practice this question again and again. Okay, now if any doubt regarding this first form, please let me know. Any doubt regarding this point slope form? This name is point slope form. Any doubt? Okay, fine. I don't think any doubt. Then, if there is no doubt, I'm going to the next form, that is called 2-point form. When we'll use 2-point form? When there will be given 2 points. Okay, the equation of a line passing through these 2 points. Okay, then we'll use this form. You can see the question also, one question I'm giving, the find the equation of the line passing through these and these. So when the line is passing through 2 points is given, then we'll use this form. So you can see in this line is L is passing through x1 and x2 y2. Okay, so the equation will be y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. If you see this one, 2-point form and point slope form, both are same. You know why? Because look, except this part, I hope you can see the both thing, the yellow part, the yellow highlighted part. I think all of you can see. Yes or no? But all of you can see the yellow highlighted part. I just make two yellow highlighted part here. Here is m and here is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, so you can see, look, otherwise other is same. Here is y minus y naught, here is y minus y1. Y naught and y1 is doesn't matter. Okay, it can be 1. So m here, actually this is the slope. You can, if you see the slope formula, what is the slope formula? Y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Look, here it was slope and here it is the actually the slope. Okay, so you can directly use this one, or otherwise, suppose this question is given, find the equation line of the line passing through this point. So you can find out the slope and you can using the previous form. Otherwise, you can just, why this form is given, so that you can use the directly. Okay, so that is the our thing. 2-point form and point slope form are actually same. Okay, actually you can see after the question many things are actually same. So let's do the one question. This question is actually from your exercise question. Okay, this question is actually from exercise question. What this question is saying? This question is saying uh, find the equation of the line passing through this. So what will be the equation? The equation of the straight line. The equation of the straight line will be use the formula y minus y1 y minus y1. What is y1 here? Here y1 is, you can say 1. Okay, equal to y2 minus y1. What is y2? Minus 4 minus 1 divided by x2 minus x1. What is x2? 2 minus minus 1. Okay, into x minus x1, x minus x1. What is x1? Minus 1. So if you simplify this one, I'm just giving one example to each question, each form, so that it is easy for you. So if you simplify this one, y minus 1 is equal to, this will be minus 5 divided by 3. 2 plus 1 is 3, right? Then it will be x plus 1. Then if you simplify this one, it will be 3y minus 3 equal to minus 5, sorry, minus 5x into minus 5. Okay, next line, take everything to the left side. That will be 5x plus 3y minus 3 plus 5 equal to 0. If you simplify more, it will be 5x plus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, always you have to, whenever the equation of the straight line will come, you have to always write the equation. You have to always end the equation like this. Okay, if you just do like this, you will not get the marks. Okay, sometime maybe 1 marks, maybe. Fine. Okay, any doubt regarding this 2 point form? If there is no doubt, I'm going to the next part, which is slope intercept form. Okay, what is slope intercept form? Okay, slope intercept form is, suppose here I'm showing here in this diagram, you can see one green line is there, which is making C intercept. Intercept means nothing like a distance. This line, this green line, intersect y at a distance c from the origin O. Okay, here I forget to write the origin. I hope you know this is the origin, right? This point is origin. I forget to write. So let's see, I can do this one or not. Yeah, wait 1 second. I should write this one. Origin O. Yeah, here it is much more better. That, yeah, you can see that the point 0, sorry, the origin, from the origin, the distance of this L is C. Okay, so suppose a line L with slope M, the slope is given M, cut y-axis at a distance C from the origin. Okay, so this distance is called, distance C is called y-intercept of the line. Okay, because it intersect y line at a distance of C from the origin. Fine. So then the equation of the line will be, this is very interesting and important. This is the major starting of the coordinate geometry. Y equal to mx plus c. Okay, the equation of the line will be y equal to mx plus c. Okay, then if the line making x intercept with d, suppose the line wait suppose this is the done. Suppose the line make x intercept, you can see in the diagram, x intercept d, that means the line intersect x-axis at distance d from the origin. The distance between this one is d. So if this happens, the slope of the line m is given and x intercept is d, then the equation of the line will be y equal to m x minus d. Okay, that is the only change we made. Okay, so let's do one problem regarding this, very easy. In this first one is saying that find the equation of the line which have slope 1 by 2 and cut off and intercept -5 on y-axis. So how to do the equation of the line? The equation of the line is y equal to mx plus c. What is y? Y will not change anything. What is m? M is 1 by 2. What is x? X is x. What is c? C is -5. Okay, remember, when it is y-axis, we'll use this formula. When it is x-axis, it will be mx minus d. Okay, sorry, m into x minus d. So if you simplify this one, you will get, I'm just writing under the here. If you simplify this one, you will get 2y equal to x minus 10. Again, if you more simplify, you will get x minus 2y minus 10 equal to 0. That's our equation. Okay, this is our equation. We'll do this kind of problem in the exercise also, but still I'm doing here so that it is easy to understand for you. Okay, same thing. What is 4 on x-axis? So when it is on x-axis, we'll use obviously the second formula. So the equation of this one will be y equal to 1 by 2. Okay, then x minus d. X minus d. What is d? 4. So then if you simplify this one, it will be 2y equal to x minus 4. Then if you more simplify, it will be x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. That's our second answer. Okay. Fine, then let's do the next question. Sorry, no, I mean like next intercept, next things. Next form is intercept form. Okay, it is not slope intercept, it is known only intercept form. This is actually one of my favorite form of all of this. What this question is saying, very interesting this part. You can see one line L is making intersecting x-axis and y-axis both. This line L, the green color line L, intersect x-axis at a comma 0 and y-axis at 0 comma b. So when it is a comma 0, the distance of OA is a, right, and distance of B is B. So I'll may give you some more details like this. I must give you this one. Yeah. So you can see easily that the line L intersecting A, which is a comma 0. That means the line L make intercept at x-axis at A and at y-axis at B. So the equation of the line will be x by A plus y by B equal to 1. Okay, very easy. Whatever the intercept will do, you just x intercept will come under the x-axis, sorry, under the x, and y-intercept will come under y. Okay, that's much. So one question is also, I put one question also. Example. In this example, you can see in this example, it's saying that find the equation of the line which makes minus 3 and 2 on x and y respectively, which makes intercept minus 3. That means A is minus 3 and B is 2. Okay, so equation is the equation of the line. The equation of the line is formula. Just use the formula x divided by minus 3, okay, plus y divided by 2. If you simplify this one, after simplification, I think you will get like this. Let's see. It will be 2x minus 3y equal to minus 6. If you more simplify, you can write like this: 2x minus 3y plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, you can write like this. Fine. Okay. Then next part. Any doubt regarding this question? This is one of the most easiest things. One of the most easiest what it called form. So if any doubt, then let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to the next part, next and last form. After that, we'll start the question. I mean exercise. In this part, it is saying that normal form. This is known as normal form. What is normal form is saying? Normal form is saying that suppose this straight line L, okay, the straight line L is we have perpendicular distance from O. The equation of the line upon which length of perpendicular from the origin. Okay, the length of perpendicular this O, you can see the line P, right? The blue line. This line, this is the perpendicular on the line L. Okay, this is the perpendicular on the line L. I may write some here. I may write like this. I may write here, it is, suppose it is Q. Okay, this OQ is the perpendicular. Okay, is perpendicular like this. Fine. So if this is perpendicular and the distance, perpendicular distance is P. Okay, what is saying? The length of perpendicular, this name, the length of perpendicular or this perpendicular is known as normal. Okay, it is the name, it is the tangent and normal. You will learn later also the details. Okay, in the derivative chapter you will learn more what is the normal. But the distance of a line from the origin, the perpendicular distance from the origin, it is called normal. Okay, and this normal distance is P, and this perpendicular OQ makes alpha angle with x-axis. Okay, this OQ makes alpha angle with x-axis. Then what will be the equation of this straight line? I'm reminding you again, here the alpha angle makes by the perpendicular, not by the line. Okay, I am writing one angle here, I'll explain you later. But now, for now, here the line OQ makes alpha angle with this. Understood? If it is happen, if it's happen, then what will be the equation of the line? What will be equation of the line? The equation of the line, the equation of the line will be x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to P. What is alpha? Alpha is the angle which makes angle with the perpendicular. The normal makes the angle with the x-axis. That is alpha. Okay, cos alpha plus sin alpha equal to P. P is what? P is the length of normal. Okay, the perpendicular distance from the origin is P. Okay, then I make a note. Okay, I make a note. I'll explain why it is. So the equation will be this. This is very very important part. I mean the very very important equation. This is basically very much useful in one of the most used in JE also. Okay. So if it is done, I just want to make sure one thing. What will be the slope of this line L? What will be the slope of the line L? You can see we don't know the how much angle is this. Okay, what is the slope? Slope means the inclination, tangent of the inclination of the line. First find out what is the inclination of the line. We just know that the this normal making alpha angle with this. Can anyone please explain why this is 90 plus? I'm writing here the line inclination of the line with the x-axis is 90 plus alpha. Anyone can me explain why I'm writing here 90 plus alpha? Why it is 90 plus alpha? Why I wrote here 90 plus alpha? Why it is 90 plus alpha? Anyone first? Okay, there is no response. I don't know. There's no response. Look, if you consider the triangle OQA, okay, if you consider the triangle OQA, this is 90 degree because OQ is perpendicular over L, and this is alpha. So using the exterior angle property, that's the exterior angle is sum of opposite interior angle, right? So this is 90, this is alpha, so this angle is 90 plus alpha. So what is the inclination of the line L? 90 plus alpha. So what is the slope of line L? Slope of line L will be tangent of 90 plus alpha, right? Slope of line L will be tan of 90 plus alpha, okay, which is equal to minus cot alpha, right? Minus cot alpha. Why? Which is equal to minus cot alpha, right? Minus cot alpha, because look, tan 90 plus alpha, 90 plus alpha will be on second quadrant. Second quadrant tan is negative, and what is the coefficient of 90? 90 means pi by 2. Coefficient is if odd number, so it will be transferred to transferred to cot, and it will be minus cot alpha. So minus cot alpha is equal to minus 1 by tan alpha. Okay, this is also just for a note I'm just giving here. Okay, now let's do one question, then I'll move toward the exercise. The question is saying here, the length of perpendicular from the origin to a line is 7. Okay, and and here it is given P is equal to 7, and the perpendicular makes 120-degree angle. So alpha equal to 120-degree. Okay, so the equation of the line will be, the equation of the line is, use the formula, it will be x cos 120-degree, okay, x cos 120-degree plus y sin 120-degree, which is equal to P is 7. If you simplify this one more, if you simplify this one, if you simplify this one, it will be x cos 120 value is how much? Cos 120 is sin 30-degree. Sin 30-degree means sin 30 value is how much? 1 by 2. So it is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Why? Because cos 120 is in second quadrant. Second quadrant cos is negative, right? So then y plus y into sin 120. Sin 120 value is root 3 by 2. Square root of 3 divided by 2. Sine will be positive because it is in on second quadrant. Second quadrant sine is positive. If you simplify this one, it will be minus x plus square root of 3y equal to 14. If you simplify more, it will be x minus square root of 3y plus 14 equal to 0. Okay, so fine, then now we'll start. If you are having any doubt regarding any question, you can ask me, otherwise I'll start now. Exercise 2, and exercise 2, some question I will not do, some question I will give homework. 1 to 3 I will not do. Question number from question number 4 I will start. From question number 4 I will start. Question number 4. Okay, 1 to 3 you can do by yourself. Okay. So what is the question is saying? Question number it's better if everyone can open the book. Page number 227. Page number 227. Okay, question number 1, 2, 3. I'm giving homework. Very easy question. Question number 4. I'm starting. Question number 4 is saying uh, that we have to find the equation up to 1 to 8. We have to find all the equation. Okay, find the equations. So which is passing through 2 comma 3 and x and inclined with x-axis at an angle 75 degree. How to do? Any idea? How to do this question? Any idea? In the meantime, I'm draw the diagram. Okay, I'm giving you very rough diagram. I'm giving you very rough diagram. So you can see here one line is there which is making inclination of 75 degree with x-axis. So what we have to do first, we have to from the inclination we have to find out the slope. Okay, so after getting the slope, it is passing through this. So slope and point form, the first form we learn. Okay, slope and point form, this form, using this form, point slope form, using that form you can find the equation of the straight line. So we'll write the line incline with x-axis at angle 75 degree. Therefore slope of the line which is equal to tan 75 degree. Okay, tan 75 degree. So what is the value of tan 75 degree? Anyone? How to find tan 75 degree? Anyone idea? Tan 75 how to find? So I said I'm having net issues. Okay, fine, fine. Yeah, I'm recording the class, so after the class you can. Any idea how to find tan 75 degree? Tan 75 degree we'll find like this. We'll use tan A plus B formula. 30 degree. I hope I gave once the tan 75 degree in what chapter? The chapter number 3. Okay, after that you just use the formula tan A plus B. Tan A plus B formula is tan A plus tan B. Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. Okay, now put the values. If you put the values, tan 45 tan 30 degree value is, I guess, 1 by square root of 3 plus tan 45 1, and here 1 minus tan 30 degree value is square root of root 3 into 1. If you simplify this one, it will be square root it will be square root of 3 plus 1 divided by square root of 3 minus 1. Doesn't matter. Square root of 3 minus 1. So always we have to, after that we have to reduce the, I mean, like what it called, what is called, I forget though. Rationalize. You have to do the rationalization, right? So if you rationalize this one, I'm not doing the rationalization whole. I hope you know how to do the rationalization. You have to multiply numerator and denominator with root 3 plus 1, right? So it will be inside the bracket root 3 plus 1 whole square, and denominator it will be it will be 3 minus 1, right, using the formula a square minus b square. So ultimately if you simplify this one, numerator will give you 4 plus 2 square root of 3 and denominator 2. If you simplify more, you will get 2 plus square root of 3. Okay, that's our whole thing. So tan 45, sorry, tan 75 degree value is 2 plus root 3. Okay, so now we got the slope. Now the line is passing through 2 comma 2 root 3 and slope is 2 plus root 3. So which we will use? We'll use the slope intercept, point slope form, using point. I'm just writing for your reminding. Okay, in exam you don't have to write point slope form. The equation of the line is equal to what is the formula? Formula is y minus y naught equal to m into x minus x naught. So y minus y naught, what is y naught? 2 root 3, 2 square root of 3 equal to m. What is m? M is 2 plus square root of 3. Okay, and x minus x naught is here is 2. After that you have to do the simplification. Okay, simplification, if you simplify this one, y minus 2 square root of 3, and if you open this one, it will be 2x minus 4, then plus square root of 3 minus 2 square root of 3. So what we can see from both sides, square root of 3, 2 root 3 and square root of 2 root 3 can be cancelled, right? What will be left? It will be left y equal to 2x minus 4 plus square root of 3. Okay, so if you simplify next line, it will be 2x minus y minus 4 plus square root of 3 equal to 0. That's our equation of the straight line. Okay, fine. Then next question. Next question number 5. Question number 5. Okay, let's do question number 5. In this question, it is saying that the intersecting x-axis at a distance 3 with slope minus 2. Okay, so intersecting x-axis at a distance 3 unit. Fine, so I'm just giving you one rough diagram. So yeah, this is the two. This is two axis, and the line intersect x-axis at 3 unit at the left side of the origin. Left side of the origin means here. Okay, here. This distance is 3 unit. Okay, and slope is minus 2. So can anyone tell me which form we'll use or how to do this problem? Which form we'll use? Which form we'll use or how to do this problem? We'll use the point intercept form. Okay, so, sorry, we will use the slope intercept form. Here it is like intersect at x-axis 3 unit left of origin. So what will be the value of d here? D value will be -3. Okay, because it is left side of the, you can see it is the left side of the x-axis. Okay, and slope is already given. So slope m equal to -2. Now the formula is, what is the formula here? The equation equation of the line is, I hope you remember the formula. Formula is y equal to m x minus d. Sorry, x minus d. Okay, so just put the values. Y equal to m is -2, then x minus, in bracket, -3. D value is -3. So next line, y equal to -2, inside the bracket x plus 3, which is equal to y equal to -2x -6. Next line, you can take everything to the left hand side. It will be 2x plus y plus 6 equal to 0. That's our equation. Okay, fine. Then question number 6. Question number 6 also do. Let's do question number 6. Okay, question number 6, I'm giving homework. Okay, because your next class is on Thursday. So question number 6 also homework. Question number 7 also homework, because they are the very easy questions. Question number 8 also homework. Question number 9 will do. Look, the homework I gave all are direct apply of the formula. Okay, so you can easily use the formula directly. In the next week, I mean in the end of this week, I will obviously give the solution of this, so then you can check, but obviously try by yourself now. Okay, question number this. Now question number 9 is saying the vertices of the PQR triangle are 2, 1, then -2, 3, and R 4, 5. Find the equation of the median through the vertex R. Okay, so for this I should draw one diagram. Let's see. Just wait a minute. Here P is 2, 1, Q is -2, 3, and R is 4 comma 5. Okay, this is our required diagram. You can see PQR is the points, I mean the sorry vertices of 3 points, you can see. And in this PQR we have to find equation of the median through R. That means suppose we take RS is the median. Okay, how to do? Any idea? Anyone? Anyone? Any idea how to do? What is the meaning of median? Let me know what is the meaning of median. Anyone please let me know what is the meaning of median. What do you mean by median? Fast. At least some reply. I don't think I'm getting any reply today. What do you mean by the median? Fast. At least within 1 minute I want at least one reply. Anyone? Don't just stay back and wait for others to answer. Please answer anyone. Anyone answer me. What do you mean by the median? Okay, still no response. No, that is median, middle number. That is the median when it is statistic. Okay, median of a triangle is different. Median of the triangle means the line which join the midpoint and the opposite vertex. Okay, so the line which join the midpoint of a line of a one side of a triangle and the opposite vertex, that is called median. So if RS is the median, then S have to be the midpoint of PQ. So we'll write let S be the midpoint of PQ side. Then RS is the median of triangle PQR. Triangle median of triangle PQR. Okay. So if R is the if S is the midpoint, if S is the midpoint of PQ, then we have to find the coordinate of S. Therefore, the coordinates of S is, how to find, what is the midpoint formula? Midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, right? So it will be x1. What is x1? 2 plus minus 2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2. What is y1? Y1 is 1 plus 3 divided by 2. If you simplify this one, it will be, look, 2 minus 2, it will be 0. 0 by 2 is 0, comma 1 plus 3 is 4, by 2 is 2. So coordinate of S is this 0 comma 2. So what will be the equation of the straight line? The equation of the median RS is, look, R we know 4 comma 5 and S we got 0 comma 2. So we can use the 2-point form, right? Using the 2-point form, using 2-point form, using 2-point form, the equation of the RS is 2-point form formula y minus y1, right? What is y1? 4. Okay, we are considering now RS. So S is 0 comma 2, here is 4 comma 5. So y1 is this. Then we have to find the slope, that is y2 minus y1. What is y2? 2 minus y1. What is y1? 5. Okay, oh sorry, here y minus y1. So here y1 is 5. I put x1. It is y1 is 5. And 2 y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. What is x2? 0 minus x1 is 4. Then inside the bracket x minus 4. X minus x1. So if you simplify this one, it will be y minus 5 equal to minus 3. Okay, minus 3 divided by minus 4 into x minus 4. If you simplify more, we will get 4y minus 20. Because look, minus minus cancel, and here right hand side it will be 3x minus 12. So if you simplify, if you take all the things to the right hand side, it will be 3x minus 4y minus 12 plus 20. Or you can directly write plus 8. Plus 8 equal to 0. If you take all the things to the right hand side, it will be 3x minus 4y minus 12 plus 20. So it is plus 8. Okay. Then let's do the last question for today. I think it will be much more for today. Last question, question number 10. Question number 10 is saying that a line is passing through, find the equation of the line passing through minus 3 comma 5 and perpendicular to a line, perpendicular to the line through the point 2 comma 5 and minus 2 comma minus 3 comma 6, minus 3 comma 6. Okay, so for this one, I'm just draw one diagram so it will be better for you. 2 comma 5 minus 3 comma 6. Okay, almost done. Okay, this is our diagram. That you can see one line. Find the equation of the line passing through this P minus 3 comma 5 and perpendicular to the line through the points 2 comma 5 and minus 3 comma 6. So you can see there is one line that is AB, okay, and there is another line which is passing through minus 3 comma 5 and perpendicular to AB. So what you have to find? We have to find the slope. Okay, we have to look. We have to actually find the equation of the green line which is passing through P. So we know only one point, right? We don't know the point. We don't know the coordinate of this point, right? So we have to find the slope of the point. Okay, therefore let's make one, this one, let's mark this one Q. Therefore let the slope of the line joining the points A in bracket 2 comma 5 and B minus 3 comma 6 is slope formula. Slope formula is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So what is y2? 6 minus y1 5, then x2 minus 3 minus 2. If you simplify this one, it will be 1. It will be 1 divided by minus 5. Okay, so what we got? We got slope of AB. Okay, now PQ perpendicular over AB. Or you can write given PQ perpendicular AB. Look here, you say that perpendicular to the line. So the slope of PQ is, can anyone tell me what is the slope of PQ? We got slope of AB is, minus 1 by minus 5. So what will be the slope of PQ? Anyone? This is all basic, we just discussed in first day. This is probably our second or third day, I guess. Second day, I guess. So first day, last day we discussed. Anyone? What is the perpendicularity? This condition for perpendicularism. All of you all forget. The condition of perpendicularism was m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. That means the product of them should be minus 1. So m1 equal to minus 1 by m2. So here it will be 1 divided by minus 1 by minus 5. Let me show. Minus 5. This is the, okay, 1 by minus m2. So here minus minus cancel, it will be 5. Okay, that we have to remember all the time. This perpendicularism, parallelism, these are very very important things. So slope of PQ we got 5. Okay, now we can using point slope form. Using the point slope form, the equation of PQ line is, so we have the slope of this and we have the PQ is 1 point. So formula is y minus y naught. Y minus y naught. What is y naught? 5. Equal to what is slope? 5. Then x minus x1. Sorry, x naught. That is minus 3. So if you simplify more, if you simplify here, you will get y minus 5 equal to 5 into x plus 3. Then if you simplify more, sorry, 5 equal to 5x plus 15. Next line, take all the things to the right side. It will be minus y plus 5 equal to 0. So ultimately it will be 5x minus y plus 20 equal to 0. Okay, so today's class is up to this. Any doubt you can ask me and write on your roll numbers.